Hello students, you are class 10th. Yesterday we would send the video of lesson 3 of civics. Today this is the part 2 of video of lesson 3 of civics, democracy and diversity. It is quite common for the people belonging to the same religion to feel that they do not belong to the same community because their caste and sect is very different. It is also possible for from people different religions to have the same caste and the feel close to each other. Thus, we all have more than one identity and can belong to more than one social group. Overlapping and cross cutting differences. Social division also takes place on account of overlapping of social difference with other differences. The difference between blacks and whites in USA becomes a social division because the blacks stand to the poor, homeless and discriminated against in India. The elites tends to be poor and landless. The face discrimination and injustice. When one particular kind of social difference become more important than other and people start feeling that they belong to different communities, it leads to social division. Sometimes social differences cross cut one another. In such a situation, it is very difficult to put one group people against the other. In other words, the group that share a common interest are likely to be in different sides on different issue. For example, both Netherlands and Northern Ireland are predominantly Christian countries but are divided between Catholics and Protestant. In Northern Ireland, class and religion overlap each other. Catholics are more likely to be poor and may also have suffered a history of discrimination. In case of Netherlands, caste and religion cut across each other. Catholics and Protestant are likely to be rich or poor. Consequence was that the Catholics and Protestant had conflicts in Northern Ireland, but they lived together without any conflict in Netherlands. Overlapping social differences may create the possibilities of deep social divisions and tensions. In almost all countries of the world, big or small, there exist social diversities of one kind or the other. There may be a great difference between India and Belgium in terms and sex, but in both countries we find the existence of a number of communities. Today, even the highly homogeneous societies of Germany and Sweden are undergoing rapid changes with influence of migrants from other parts of the world who bring along with them their own culture and exist like a different social community. Social divisions and politics. The combination of politics and social divisions are very dangerous. It leads to division of political parties and cast on linguistic lines. Democracy involves competition among various political parties which has the effect of dividing society on caste or religion lines. When they sorts competing in terms of existing social divisions like caste or religion, it converts social divisions into political divisions and may lead to a dangerous situation of conflicts, violence, or discrimination. Political and social divisions outcomes. A case of Netherlands, Ireland. Main features number 1 point. Population is divided into two major Christianity sects, 53% Protestant and 44% Catholics. Number 2, Catholics represents by nationalist parties who demanded unification of Northern Ireland with the Republic of Ireland. Number 3, Protestant represented by unionists wanted to remain with UK which is predominantly Protestant. Number 4, hundreds of civilians and militants were killed in the fight between Union and Nationalists. Number 5 and last, a peace treaty signed between the UK government and the nationalists in 1998 led to the suspension of armed struggle by the nationalists. The case of Yugoslavia. In case of Yugoslavia, political competitions along religious and ethnic lines led to the disintegration of Yugoslavia into 6 independent countries. Based on the above, we may conclude that number 1, political and social divisions may not be allowed to be mixed. If all there is social divisions within a country, it should never be expressed in politics. So this is the video of part 2 and the third part will be sent tomorrow. Thank you very much.